Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Today is National Press Day. The day is observed every year to honour and acknowledge the establishment of the Press Council of India, PCI, in 1966. On 16 November 1966, PCI assumed the role of the moral watchdog to the fourth pillar of the country in order to ensure that the press maintains the quality and high standards expected from it and does not get affected by any external factors in its functioning. This day stands as a day symbolic of a responsible and free press in the country. Since the year 1997, the Council has commemorated the day in a significant way through seminars with relevant themes. Marking the day under the theme Who is Not Afraid of Media, several programs are being organized in Nagaland also by the DIPR and press clubs. Extending greetings to all media persons on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Bulletin in a tweet said, "Media, the fourth pillar of democracy, plays an important role in providing voices to the voiceless and is essential to a vibrant democracy." Bulletin conveyed his best wishes and appreciation to the media persons for their commitment to truth. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that the centre will release 95,082 crore rupees as tax devolution to states in the current month after including one advance instalment to help them push their capital expenditure. Briefing media in New Delhi after virtually interacting with chief ministers, finance ministers of states and lieutenant governors of union territories yesterday, Sitharaman said, with this, states will have more money and they can consider spending it for infrastructure creation. In her opening remark in the meeting, the finance minister urged states to help India become the fastest growing economy in the coming years by facilitating investment attractiveness and expediting ease of doing business measures. Sitharaman further urged the states to strengthen their urban local bodies, ULPs, considering that there has been decidedly a larger allocation to ULPs than earlier and are increasingly being encouraged to pursue resource mobilization. Chief Minister Neiba also attended the meeting. Minister of Planning and Coordination Neiba said the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest SARFAESI Act 2002 will be tabled in the upcoming Assembly session scheduled to be held on 25th November. Grono said the decision was taken at the meeting of the Select Committee on SARFAESI Act headed by Chief Minister Neiba. Grono said the state government, after thorough deliberation on the Act, came to the conclusion that the Act does not clash with Article 371A. He said even though the banks can confiscate land, they will not be allowed to sell to outsiders. Grono further added that the Land Revenue Department is working on the land law, which will be introduced after the SARFAESI Act and its complexities are worked out. Mechivile Yashu has successfully qualified for referee identification number Category 4 Cat 4 examination, making him the first Nagaland football referee to get Category 4 under All India Football Federation AIFF. Cat 4 referees are responsible for officiating state-level competitions organized by the state associations. Congratulating him for his success, the Kohima Town Club said the milestone is a pride for the state and the football community in general. The club attributed Troy Chandra Singh, AIFF football referee instructor, for his relentless efforts in moulding young referees from the state to reach new heights. Kohima Town Club further wishes Yashu success in his future endeavours and encouraged him to continue inspiring the youngsters of the state. As India achieved the milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors, nurses and others who make this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get vaccinated at the earliest and also help others to get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800345 0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.